every time I set food in front, you mention say, yeah. So I think like same age like that. I guess everyone looks young. Anyways, thank you for having me here. Next Next is very close to my heart. There's a lot of my friends. So like most of my friends as cousins that just studying here. So it's an honor to be here. And good. Morning everyone. So the world of finance is like rapidly changing and understanding how to manage the financial technique is crucial. Today we will discuss the short-term financial. So more specifically on cash management, on working capital and credit management, and how adapting sustainable practices with this area can build a strong foundation for future financial success. But before diving into this topic, I want to share the area which I currently focus on, which is the Web3. So I'm discussing I know, a while ago what Web3 about and venture capital, which the sector I am part of. So yeah, let's start. Next slide, please. Great. So there's an evolution of the internet. So there's a Web 1, Web 2, which currently what we use, and there's Web 3. Web 3 is like the future. Web 2 is where we currently at. Web 1 is the past. So yeah, Web 1, the basic, everything in the internet is static. So with limited user interaction. So you can think of like if brochure na nasa Wikipedia or nasa internet. So when we were using the internet, you don't need to log in during Web 1. That's 1991 until 2004. Then 2004 comes Web 2. There's like user engagement, dynamic, and content creation and social media interaction. So you can recall this graphic, sobrang nag-famous YouTube creation, like content creators like that. So there's an interaction between the users, which kita, and the content creators. Sorry, we're the platform there. So during the Web 2, big companies own our data. So mapansin ninyo, di ba? When you search the TikTok and Facebook, you search for like uploading brand or, for example, kapag tayo yung fitness, right? So you search sa Shopee, like beanie outfits. Magawa sa inyong feed sa Facebook and other social network, anything about beanies or anything about the clothing brand. And that's what we call algorithm. Because our data is being shared with other social platforms. And who controls that is Google, Facebook, Shopee. And they are the ones earning money, basically because they're sharing our information. And that's what we're trying to solve with Web3. Web3 is the future. It's decentralizing. So people or users has the ownership of our data. So wala tayong algorithm. And in the Web3, this is all about artificial intelligence. This is all about like ChatGPT. You guys have heard that, right? So yeah, in Web3, this is the third evolution of internet. So it represents decentralized, user-owned internet powered by blockchain technology. So I challenge you guys that after this session, to do your research about Web3 and what blockchains are, because that's the future in finance. When you when you go mga metro area, most of the schools there, they are conducting studies about blockchain. And yeah, even if we're here, we should do our research and understanding what blockchain para dito mapag-iwanan. So, next slide please. Yeah, in simple terms, Web3 is built on a network called blockchain, and the goal is to reduce reliance on intermediaries like clients by using smart contracts and cryptocurrencies. So sometimes when we hear about cryptocurrencies, we call it like system. But cryptocurrencies is like digital assets. So, there are like major exchanges over the globe nag-access with digital currencies. And yeah, most of the investors right now, they're investing in digital currencies. Next slide please. So, dito pumapasok ang venture capital. So, me myself, I work in a venture capital. So, what we do in venture capital? So, basically, we identify projects. So, me myself, I've been traveling all over Asia to identify projects who develops Web3 and blockchain. Then, we do our initial funding. So, we invest from 500K to $1 million US dollars for each project to develop. So, these projects are early stages. I don't know if you guys have heard CoinsPH. That's a Philippine-based crypto exchange. So they're integrating blockchain and Web3 with their product. And also, we have in the Philippines YGG. It's more focused on gaming. Does anyone here familiar with Axie Infinity? So there's like a game before Axie Infinity. So it's called game play to earn. You earn token. And what they're trying to do during that time is user adoption. So they use gaming to onboard people from Web 2 to Web 3. So yeah, we provide strategic guidance as well with this project. So this is very early stage. You guys are familiar with ChatGPT, right? So that's the kind of project we're looking at. So it's more about the future. And we're looking for a project to provide efficiency for everyone. Artificial intelligence. So there's a lot of projects. You guys should do your research about it. Alright. Next slide. Yeah, venture capital for innovation, that's us. They provide funding for project. We support blockchain startup. Napanood niyo na ba yung startup Korean movie? Are you guys familiar? So that's what we do. We are like a Silicon Valley. So a lot of projects, di ba parang ginawa nila yung car, like self-driving automatic car. So, mga ganun, di ba? Parang wala na masyado. Like people, hindi na super in control with all of this stuff. So, what people will do in the future, it's more of analyzing. Di ba? Understanding like, the information and data. So, medyo scary that Web3 or like AI will replace what we do. ChatGPT can instruct. Pero walang emotion yung artificial intelligence. So, yeah. Next slide. Yeah. Do your research about Web3. Web3 is the next internet evolution. So, okay. After the Web 2, there's the future, the Web 3. Then the Web 3 technologies as explained. There's a blockchain involved. There's a decentralized enabled user ownership. Mabalik sa atin yung control natin with our data. Because everything that we upload to Facebook, you upload something, then this is being stored dun sa kanilang storage nila and being shared to other platforms. So we are not safe sa Web 2. Then there's a Web 3 venture capital, people like us investing with this kind of projects. Yeah, thank you. Next slide. Alright, so let's dive into the topic. So let's begin with cash management. So cash, as everyone knows, it is the lifeblood of like any business. So business cannot operate without cash or funding. Right? So without proper management, and next slide, and without proper management of cash or cash flow, businesses will struggle. Yeah, next slide please. Yeah. Lead it go. Short-term financial overview and management. So there will be like 3 topics that we will cover: understanding cash management, working capital, and effective credit management. So yeah, let's start with understanding what cash management is. So as mentioned, cash is the lifeblood of like business. So without proper management of cash flow, businesses will struggle to meet their obligation in their operation. So it's very important that people will do forecasting. Yeah, next slide.